we would take the computer apart and start working on it, right? Start troubleshooting what the issue was.
Kerrigan Glover is getting hands-on experience in disassembling a computer as part of her summer internship with the GCS Technology Department. The rising junior at Kearns Academy says she applied for the paid internship to experience different areas of technology, but especially cybersecurity.
Cybersecurity interests me because I like to learn about different kinds of malware and the ransomware and the different things that makes the foundation of it.
Kerrigan is one of 8 high school students taking part in the summer technology internship this year. This program lasts 6 weeks and students rotate through different teams working both at central office as well as schools.
One of my favorite experiences would be going to each school and fixing all their data centers and all their Wi-Fi boxes.
Kristen Ford and Isaiah Bullock traveled to Peeler Hampton Visual and Performing Arts Elementary with the GCS networking team to see the school's data center and telecom room. They also learned about fixing a classroom phone that wasn't working properly.
This is clearly the Guilford Guarantee in action, and that's what we're trying to provide here, is opportunities for students to have these internship experiences, to get hands-on real-world applications that they can then decide if this technology career, what area of technology is for me and what is it that really aligns to my interest. And many of our students find that what they thought they wanted to do in technology turns out to be something completely different. And they find a whole different field that they didn't even know existed within technology. So we're trying to make sure that we're living out that Guilford Guarantee by providing these opportunities and giving kids those experiences that can lead to those future careers in technology.
I helped out the cybersecurity team. I helped automate a process that took them 8 hours per month.
At the end of their internships, each student gave a capstone presentation to GCS staff showcasing what they've learned and how they'll use their knowledge going forward.
I learned a lot. I have learned a lot of soft and hard skills. Some soft skills I learned is how to communicate, how to speak clearly, how to maintain eye contact.
After high school, I plan to go to NC State. It's my dream school. I love the engineering program. It's honestly amazing. And I'm hoping to go down one of the engineering fields. If it's not cybersecurity, it's not, but it all depends what the future brings me.
One thing that we're most proud of is the way that our team has really invested in our students. They have taken the opportunity to mentor them, to really partner with them, to treat them as equals, and to bring them into the technology field and give them those experiences that they just wouldn't have had otherwise in a high school setting. So our staff has really taken the time to invest in these experiences and build those relationships with students to get them excited about their future.